Hey everyone, today we are diving into the exciting world of remote work. Whether you are a seasoned digital nomad or just starting your remote journey, having the right tools and resources is key to success. Nowadays, remote work offers flexibility, freedom, and a better work-life balance. It also comes with unique challenges like staying focused, collaborating effectively, and avoiding burnout. Let's start with communication. Staying connected with your team is vital for successful collaboration. Tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and Slack can help you stay in touch through video conferencing, instant messaging, and file sharing. Project management tools like Asana and Trello help you organize tasks, track progress, and ensure everyone is on the same page. Productivity powerhouse. Time is your most valuable asset while working remotely. Time tracking apps like Toggle Track and the Rescue Time help you understand your time uses and identify areas for improvement. Focus apps like Forest and Freedom can block distractions and boost your productivity. Note-taking apps like Evernote and Notion help you capture ideas and manage tasks efficiently. Collaboration made easy. Working remotely doesn't mean working alone. Online whiteboards like Miro and Mural facilitate real-time collaboration on brainstorming sessions and design projects. Tools like Figma and Adobe XD come in handy for designers and creative teams. Mind mapping tools like MindMeister and Xmind help visualize ideas and organize complex information. Remote work resources. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Websites like remote.co and Working Nomads offer job listings, resources, and communities specifically for remote workers. Blogs like Buffer Blog and Zapier Blog provide insightful articles and tips on remote work productivity and best practices. Podcasts like the Remote Nomad Podcast and the Work From Home show offer interviews with experts and valuable insights into the remote work lifestyle. Work-life balance, please. Remote work allows you to control your schedule, but it's important to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Creating a dedicated workspace helps you focus and avoid distractions. Set clear boundaries with your colleagues and family to avoid overworking. Schedule regular breaks and incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Prioritize good sleep, healthy eating, and stress management techniques to maintain your well-being. Ultimately, I want to say you guys, remember the remote work journey is unique to everyone. Do experiment with different tools and resources and find what works best for you. Explore the options mentioned in this video and discover your own remote work toolkit. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to our channel and share your favorite remote work tools and resources in the comments box below.